my values poster about how to make the world a better place. Okay, so these are some ways that I can do. Planting trees. Planting trees can make the air and the environment fresher. It will help the entire ecosystem. Throw trash properly. Whenever you throw trash properly, it will help clean the environment. If you don't throw your trash properly, it will make the environment dirty. So always throw your trash properly. Be kind. Being kind can always help the person that you help and will also make you happy. It will make you happy and the person you help happy. And lastly, be happy every time. Being happy every time can make the world a better place. It is also the simplest thing to do to make it a better place. Just smile always. Imagine if all the people in this world were happy. Alright, that was my poster. Bye!